Hi, my name is Karin from Rustic Home. Thanks for joining me and feel free to subscribe to my channel at any time during this video. I bought two terracotta pots from Ikea and added a trim around the rim of the pots using the IOD Trimmings 2 mold with air dry clay. I painted it with Fusion's Victorian lace, and today I'm going to age the pots a bit and add some IOD transfers. I'm going to add some texture with some Saltwash and a dark colored paint, and I'm using Fusion mineral paint for this. I'm just mixing my Saltwash with a paint into a medium consistency. I'm using a chip brush to add the mixture to the pot in random places only by stippling it on to create raised texture. The Saltwash paint is now completely dry, and I'm dry brushing Fusion's Victorian lace over the texture. I don't want to cover it all, and I'm happy that the dark color is showing through. The pots are completely dry, and I'm just sanding the area where I want to add my IOD transfer so that it adheres a bit easier. I'm using the IOD's Traditional Pots Transfer, and I've cut out a few designs from the sheet. I've chosen the two I want to use, and I will go ahead and use the transfer tool to add the labels to the pots. I'm just rubbing the transfer with the tool and lifting and releasing the backing sheet until the entire design has transferred. I'm just using the backing sheet to burnish the design to make sure it is down completely. I've now added the transfers to both the pots, and I'm now sealing the entire pot with top coat. I'm sealing it because I want to add some antiquing wax, but want to control the darkness of the effect, and with a top coat it will be easy enough to wipe back without it staining the paint. You can get the same result by using clear wax instead of the top coat before you use a dark wax. The top coat is completely dry, and I can now add Fusion's aging wax to the entire pot. I'm just applying it with a paintbrush and wiping back with a cloth to get the effect I like. And that is it, an easy project to transform boring pots into something beautiful and rustic. I've listed all the products I used in this project in the description, and it is available on my website. Thank you for watching, and please leave a comment or give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to follow me for more DIY projects. Till next time.